Hi, welcome to Zero Markets. We will show you how to transfer funds between your trading accounts. You can transfer your funds regardless of the platforms involved, MT4, MT5. Firstly, log in to the Zero Market portal. After that, on the dashboard, click the wallet icon and select Transfer. Once you select Transfer, a new window will appear. Enter your account information and the amount you want to transfer. Proofread the information through Summary and click Transfer. Note, it may take some time for the transfer to fully process.